Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can restore photos from iCloud on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go into our phone settings. And then we're gonna click on our image to go to our iCloud page. We're gonna go to the iCloud Cloud section. And we click on it. Then we see the photo bar, click on it. As you can see, I have photo recovery enabled at this point. And you have it turned off like this. You need to do one simple thing, and that is to turn it on. Now you have iCloud photo recovery on your iPhone enabled. But before you do, I recommend that you make sure that you have enough space on your phone to store all your media content. To do that, we need to go back to Settings. Here, if we scroll down, we'll find the General section. And then in the middle we find iPhone Storage. Click on it. And here we can see the state of our memory. For example, I have 256 gigabytes of free storage in my phone. Well, at the moment I have 234 gigabytes free, which means I have more than enough memory to store all my media content. I hope this video was helpful to you and helped you understand how to recover photos from iCloud on iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment. See you soon.